Side loading app. That's what I'm going to be doing on this iPhone 4S. Except it's dead. Blah, blah, blah. I think I can figure this out. First, we have to install this tweak called AppSync, which unlocks signature enforcement, whatever that means. So after that, there are two ways we can do this. We can either plug the phone into the computer and do it that way, or we can get this tweak called Verteris, which is like a jailbroken app store. I'm actually going to try both methods in this video. Alright, the phone is charged. It is unjailbroken right now. I'm going to go ahead and do that first. So, it just looks normal. If you watched my first video on when I jailbroke it and made it look like it was running on iOS 26, you should definitely check out that before finishing this video. But, yeah. So, basically, you go to this website, carbon.sep.lol, and then you click run. You basically just have to keep clicking it until it finally works. Now it appears to be working. Alright, we are back, and yep, it's jailbroken. The icon pack shows up. So now we need to install the tweak called AppSync. It is loading. We need to go to our sources, edit, add, and then we need to do beamy.ai. And then the tweak is AppSync Unified. Alright, now we can plug it into the computer and continue from there. Alright, let's find an IPA for Minecraft. I'm just going to search Minecraft IPA. Actually, we should probably search Minecraft IPA for iPhone 4S. And I do actually own Pocket Edition, so it won't be piracy. Alright, here it is on the Internet Archive. We're going to do that one. It says it has every release version of Minecraft for iOS, so I'm just going to have to find which one is for iOS 9. There are a ton of them here. I'm going to have to figure out which one I need to use. What version of Minecraft Pocket Edition goes with iPhone 4S iOS 9.3.6 32-bit. The highest is 1.0.0, but it says we should probably use an older version like 0.9.5 for smoother experience. Let's do 9.5. Alright, here it is, 9.5. Let's download that. I'm just going to save it to my desktop, and there it is. Alright, now I'm going to open up Sideloadly, which is the app that I'm going to use to sideload it. It says it's not going to work on future versions of Mac OS. So here is the phone. Oh, you can even do it over Wi-Fi. I didn't know that. And there's the Mac. So I guess we just drag this into there. Allow. Alright, pretty sure this is all we have to do. Just don't know what any of this stuff is. I guess I'll just hit start. I guess I don't even need the Apple ID because it's jailbroken anyway. Alright, it's done. Well, it actually worked. Okay, let's see if it opens. 9.5. New. Survival. See if it works. Oh, there we are. And there's a hearts. Why is this so big? For some reason this button jumps. For some reason the GUI is so big up there, and it's hard to like jump while holding this button, but I don't know. It's just like Minecraft PE, it's just hard to play like that. Oh, listen to that sound. So the old sound. And there's my inventory. To like do that and jump. It's way easier with the new Pocket Edition version. Let's break a tree. There, now we have that. Where's my crafting? Oh, here we go. I get those, and then I can get a crafting table. There we go. Now I have a crafting table. Wait, no, I want to hear the hurt sound again. Oh, listen to that. Yeah. This is pretty cool, though. Well, it turns out Verteris is shut down, and it doesn't show up anymore on the repository, so that's supposed to be the main thing for this video, but whatever. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching.